This is a water repellent spray. This is an espresso machine. And this is a tabletop scanning electron microscope. I use sprays like this all the time, and I've always wondered, how do they actually work on a microscopic level? Does the fabric still breathe? Why don't water droplets soak in? And how does it keep dirt out? Let's find out. Alright, straight to the point. I think this cap is a perfect test subject. Let's split it into two zones and follow the instructions exactly. Two coats from about 10 inches away. First, water drop test. Well, looks like it's working. Now it's time to take a look at the microstructure. Under a regular optical microscope, I honestly don't see much of a difference. We could try polarization, but overall the image isn't very impressive, and the depth of field is clearly not enough. So let's bring in the electron microscope. To examine the samples, we need to coat them with a very thin nanometer scale layer of platinum. Otherwise, the image quality won't be great. Since we're interested in the surface, I'll use a low accelerating voltage. Interesting. Honestly, I still don't see much difference, but I can say with confidence. The claim that treated fabric still breathes and allows air through, that's not marketing. It's true. As you can see, the space between the fibers is still open. The coating doesn't look like glue and it doesn't form any thick protective film. Even when zooming in on individual fibers, I can clearly identify the coating. By the way, the metal coating didn't affect the water repellent properties. As you can see, the treated sample still repels water and the untreated one still absorbs it almost instantly. Honestly, I'm not sure if this experiment was a success. My current guess is that the spray contains a fluorinated resin, which either penetrates into the fiber or forms a layer so thin that it's basically invisible under a standard electron microscope. What I can say for sure, the spray works, and it definitely doesn't seal the pores. And finally, I decided to take a look at the protective film that was on the cap during spraying. I took one piece with coating and one without. Now here you can clearly see the difference. There was no fiber penetration here, so the resin just polymerized on the surface, forming this nice mesh-like structure. The untreated film looks exactly how you'd expect, perfectly smooth. So yeah, this spray is legit. Thanks for watching and see you next one.